In primetime news this evening, schools to open in September. Prime Minister Holness expresses desire for full resumption of face-to-face classes as he pleads with teachers to get vaccinated. Merle Grove under investigation. Health and Education Ministries to probe school for breaching COVID protocols. And on the defense, Health Minister defends health systems handling of mental illness among children. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online once you log on to onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime, and Weather. Before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the government's push to have schools return to face-to-face teaching in September? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.